So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a mouse pointer game. A game that has to do with following the mouse pointer. So first things first, we go to file, then new, then you go to choose a sprite. I'm going to be using Today I'm going to be using Dove, this Dove character. So we'll go to costumes and then copy this branch, because we're going to be using the branch like the Dove is going to be going around picking the branch, and then the branch should be going random places. So copy, and then we will now delete it from here. Do the same, delete. Do the same to this one. So we'll now paint a new sprite here. Then we'll now paste this. Now go to our codes. So we're going to be coding the Dove first. So go to the events category, then drag out when flag clicked. When flag clicked, then drag out the forever block. Then put this glide 1 second to mouse pointer. Then let's duplicate this. And then we'll remove this, and then we'll now go to looks. Now put switch costume. Then duplicate this. Then go to controls, put width 0.4 seconds. Let's put it here. So put this in its right place here. Let's test it. So now we're going to move on to the branch. Go to the events, when flag clicked, then now go to controls. Now drag this if then go to sensing, touching Dove. Now go to motion, go to random position. Now let's test it. It will not work until we put forever block. So let's do that now, and let's start it. Good, that started working. And to finish it all, just add an appropriate background. I choose color first. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.